Hey, we have a FRYER 3-axis CNC bed mill, model MB15, serial number 15112. Machine is new in 2000. It has a ANILAM 3300 MK control, and we're running her for you. Right now she's turning at 500 RPM. It goes up to 4,000. Machine also has a 16 by 63 table, 2,500 RPM. Machine's nice and quiet. When you start and stop it, you hear the drawbar rattling, but it's very, very quiet when it's running. You have 50 inches in X travel. That's the Z. The Z is 24 inches. There's boxways on the vertical column. That's the X, which again, that's 50 inches in the X. And 25 inches in the Y. So it's 50 by 25 by 24. You also have a 6-inch manual quill, and that's a 40 taper in the spindle in the quill. Kurt power drawbar. And hey, that's kind of our video. 7.5 horsepower, by the way, too. Machine can be operated with manual hand wheels. Thank you.